probably ask yourself what Bitcoin actually is, and that's quite recently. This video tries to explain that really simply, and we will start right now. One big reason why people love Bitcoin is because it's decentralized. No big entity like a government can control Bitcoin. Actually, the people control Bitcoin because they actually own it. And the more different people own Bitcoin, the more decentralized the whole system is. And that's a big plus of everything. Then another reason why people love Bitcoin that much is because of the blockchain. The blockchain basically saves all the transactions that have ever happened. And through the blockchain, it's basically impossible that a Bitcoin is spent twice because all the transactions gotta be verified as soon as another transaction is added to the blockchain. And yeah, this basically enables Bitcoin to be a safe environment to invest in and allows it to be a credible currency. Then a lot of people ask themselves, but who actually invented Bitcoin? And yeah, that's quite mysterious because there is a person, Satoshi Nakamoto, and he basically invented Bitcoin. But it's just a cover-up name. The real person that invented Bitcoin is not really known. And yeah, we don't know if this person is still alive, if the person is still around. All this kind of stuff is unknown, and that makes Bitcoin a little bit more mysterious. But what we know is that this guy, Satoshi Nakamoto, wrote the white paper of Bitcoin, the foundation of Bitcoin, how everything actually works. Then a huge reason why so many people love Bitcoin is because it's inflation proof, and that's because there are only 21 million Bitcoins around in the whole entire system. That makes Bitcoin not inflatable because we only have 21 million Bitcoin, and oh no, I can say it a little different. If you own one Bitcoin, then nobody can print more Bitcoin in the future. There can only be Bitcoin mined, but that's a different topic. And the interesting thing is that if you own this one Bitcoin, then over the time when inflation happens and currencies like the dollar, the euro, and the Swiss franc decrease in value, the value goes down of these currencies, the supply of Bitcoin still stays the same. And of course, then Bitcoin goes up in value because people still trust this system that is decentralized and the government can control. And obviously, your cryptocurrencies are not inflatable because of this exact reason, and that's why people love cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin so much. So, if we sum up everything, Bitcoin is kind of the currency of the community or of the people. Because it's decentralized, the more people that own Bitcoin, the more decentralized the whole system gets, and nobody can really control it. Then it's not inflatable. You basically can see Bitcoin like gold if you invest in it, and other currencies potentially collapse and have a huge inflation, then Bitcoin stays still at the same value. And you can use it to pay other different things. And then the other really good reason why Bitcoin is the money of people is you basically can send Bitcoin around the world in seconds or minutes. And you don't have to carry around a huge bag with money in it, or you struggle to get through traffic with your Bitcoin. That's all possible because you can send Bitcoin around the world, and that's very, very easy, and that gives you the autonomy to do basically whatever you want with your money that you own in Bitcoin. So if you want to do me a favor, then or this squirrel a favor, then subscribe to this channel and we will see us in the next videos. Bye guys.